Hey there, John Hooks here, and today we're going to be talking about GreenPages. I'm going to be doing a review on a software called GreenPages, which is going to help you build, better and outstanding landing pages and other pages of different sorts. I am in the dashboard in the members area of it here now. We're going to come back to this and run you through what it has. To start off with, we need to get to my bonus page from YouTube. Click on the link beneath or next to this video that says get my exclusive bonuses and GreenPages here, and that will take you to a page that looks like this. All right, it'll take you to this very page here. All right, and so let's start here. To start off with, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do the thumbs up there and click the bell. Thank you very much. GreenPages, the world's first landing page and website builder preloaded with stunning designs and high converting copywriting pages. All right, and so a little bit more about it before we hop over and take a look at it. So what is GreenPages all about? All right, from the creator of this, he writes, just like you, we needed a way to create sleek, beautiful, and high-converting funnels for some of our campaigns, websites for our clients, and pages for our real businesses without hiring a costly designer or struggling to design and code the sites ourselves. Using themes is hard as you can't really get creative with what you want, and you're highly constrained by the theme's layouts and features. We needed a solution, and most of the things we found on the market weren't good enough. Some of them could create beautiful websites for sure, but weren't really optimized for online marketing. So we decided to create the ultimate solution that won't just knock out stunning pages, but create pages that will strategically grow your businesses online, capture more leads, and generate more sales daily. No more hiring expensive designers and copywriters, no more negotiating the price with them, no more sending them reminders of the approaching deadline, no more settling for mediocre work, no more being held ransom for just trying to run a business. I created a completely done-for-you solution that would allow you to hit the market with your products in a matter of minutes. I created something that helped me get results like these. And we see the graphics here to give of how sales were coming in from this person's landing pages and lead pages here. So let's go over and take a look at the software again. And so here it is, and by default it's on landing pages here, but here you have your menu. You have your landing page, you have checkout pages, coming soon pages, giveaway pages, opt-in pages, sign-up pages, thank you pages, and webinar pages. And each one has their own specific templates that you can start with. So we're on landing pages here. We see a bunch there, checkout pages for them to get their products, coming soon pages, giveaway pages, and these giveaway pages are more can be used more like contest pages. Basically, if we just take a look at one, will it open up? On this demo version, these actually templates won't open up. The creator didn't want people building up a bunch of pages and then ditching them. But I have taken a look at them, and they're pretty nice. And same thing with the opt-in pages. You have your choice. On this demo version, the coloring seems to be the same, but the backgrounds are actually different. And of course, everything is 100% editable. All right, sign-up pages, thank you pages, webinar pages. They're all the same. Okay. Now, in addition, you have your own downloads. You have images, and so if you want to add images, you can create some default ones that are already here, or just put in something that that you're looking for. And of course, the world is at your disposal when it comes to this. So let's say I don't know, traffic, and then you have images of traffic related sources. Now, same thing with videos. Now, these videos are not like full-length videos, but they are, nice, smooth motion videos that you can set to repeat, and they're pretty stunning. Let's take a look at one here. Here's one, kind of a shadowy day. You can see the sunlight trying to break through there. Let's take a look at another one here. You see the water, the falls. You can see some leaves, falling. And I took a look at a good number of these, and also, looked up, pulled up some myself, and you find them from about 20 to 45 seconds on average. And of course, you can set them to loop, and you're in pretty good shape. And let's see here. Are we still on video? Let's say airplane, just something related to air or space. This one's a pretty cool looking thing here, just to show you. So of course there's some special effects in that, but there you go. And so that's what you have here, basically. Now, sorry, I can't create a page out of this. This version does not allow me to do that, but it is there for you. So what is this going to cost? So we have the front end at $17. There is a pop-up. I believe it's $4 off. It could be just $2, but I believe it's $4 off. And so for $13, you can get the front end of GreenPages. You get 20 ready-made landing page templates, unlimited access to the software, create unlimited landing pages, sales pages, websites. This one-time fee, pay now and it's yours to use forever. 5 million plus high resolution images, 100 plus icons, exceptional customer service, free page hosting, for users. Okay, and so you have a number of upsells. Upsell number one is GreenPages Pro for $67 or $47 on the downsell. The Pro version gets you 10 times more. It comes packed with 50 more websites, virtual assistant access, 1,000 plus new professionally approved icons. You can add your own domain and website design, create custom URL, site analytics, monthly webinars, a whole bunch of features there. All right, upsell number two, 30 brand new templates for $22 on the downsell. You get 30 brand new templates plus access to future updates. Upsell number three, GreenPages Agency for $97 or $67 on the downsell. You'll be able to activate all the automation tools with that, and actually that's an error that will be on the page when you see it. Upsell number four is GreenPages Traffic for $47. Upsell number five, GreenPages Done For You, set everything up for you for $97. GreenPages Bundle for $37, and GreenPages White Label. You get to create it, change the name of it, of the software, and make it your own. You get that for a little less than $200. And so some of the benefits here, built for non-tech entrepreneurs in mind. You can sell websites and make more sales, thanks to the pre-designed layouts, 365-day money-back guarantee. Save 65% and never pay for web creation again. Create any type of page or website, sell more, sell fast with unlimited landing pages and so forth, 10 times your site conversions, can create websites for clients' businesses, fastest page building technology ever, unlimited access to GreenPages, newbie friendly, get more traffic to your sites and boost Google rankings. of your pages and websites with integrated search engine optimization. Okay, 365-day guarantee. Now there is a demo video here. I believe it's about 8.5 or so minutes long. It takes you through everything, and it does show you, the actual creation of the pages. So you can bookmark this bonus page and come back and watch that demo at any time. Also at any time, you can click on any of the red banners on my bonus page here to take you over to your secure checkout so you can pick up GreenPages today. And when you pick up GreenPages today, I have some bonuses for you too. So bonus number 1 is called Fast List Now, building up your buyers list. Bonus number 2 is called Lazy Traffic Sniper. And so this is a solution for finding and monetizing free buyer traffic. Bonus number 3 is called Total Traffic, another traffic software of getting people to see those offers to those stunning pages that you're going to be building with GreenPages. Bonus number 4, YT Velocity, and this is a set and forget free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube. So to assist, with your landing pages, you need people to get there, and so my bonuses I put together for this to help you do that. And bonus number 5 are the bonuses that GreenPages have, allowed me to give to you. There are several, and so you have access to all of their bonuses plus all of my bonuses for $14. Not to mention, that you get GreenPages that you have for life. All right, and just click on any of the red banners on my bonus page. They'll take you over to get your copy, and this is sold on the Warrior Plus platform. All right, so once again, let me go ahead and ask that you please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It'd be much appreciated. Do that thumbs up and find that alert bell. Thank you. And let me thank you for taking the time to check out my review and bonuses for GreenPages. As always, to your success.